This is a project that will create a substantial number of construction jobs. One of the key factors that public officials, elected officials in Washington are trying to create are jobs for infrastructure, jobs for the construction field. This will do that. In addition to that, there will be people who will be hired to maintain the facility. This becomes a significant rateable for the community. That's all to the benefit of the people of Rockland, particularly in North Rockland, because this is going to provide revenues to the North Rockland School District, which has been so damaged. So the United Water project is going to be a major mitigator to the problems that that school district has faced. I'm a North Rocklander. I live in Garnerville. This is an important project for me and my family.